What are you up to today, Rod?
We're going to make banana cupcakes today. Healthy, and I'm going to make them by myself. What about Papa?
Look at me.
Yeah. Smells so good. It smells like Porsche. Smells like a really nice.
What is it, Rod?
Peanut butter. I'm doing it all by myself without my dad. Hard. So fun. It's Porsche. Look like Porsche. Can't open it, Dad.
What is it?
Baking powder. Maybe a little bit. Yeah. Banana strip. Okay. Is it? Open it in here.
What do you want?
Banana. Banana will put it in here. Now mix. Now mix.
Yep.
We have to scoop the side.
What is it?
I don't know.
This is mayo. Hello. Hello.
Hot. Guys, don't touch it. It's hot. It's a bit dangerous.